Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well this lockdown. For all those who are new to my channel, I am Akriti. Please spare a second to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell down there so that whenever I upload a video, you are updated with it. So this video is regarding Good Vibe product reviews. I have purchased recently 4 products from Good Vibes online on Let's Purple. All of these products that I've purchased have been rated 4 plus by its reviewers and customers. You can also check it for yourself online right now, and I'll also share screenshots and also mention the link down below in the description box if you want to purchase any of these products. You'll get the best available prices, and also if they have any offers running, you'll also be able to see them. So Good Vibes is a really good and affordable brand. Most of its products has no parabens, no sulfates, and are cruelty free. It's an Indian brand and it's really nice. All of these products that I purchased from Purple costed me for around 570 to 580, which is really affordable. I've been using all of these products for about 10 to 15 days now, because I believe if you are reviewing any product on the social media, you should first try it for yourself and only then come to any conclusion. So I've been using these products for about 10 to 15 days, and guys, this product is not a collaboration with Good Vibes and also not sponsored. So all the reviews that I give you will be completely honest reviews by me. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So guys, this is my face without any makeup. Since it's a skincare video, I thought it would be better if I do it without any makeup on my face. And yes, I've tied my hair because man, it's really difficult for me to do a skincare video with my hairs open. I don't know how people do it with open hairs, wash their face and tone their face and everything, but for me it's really impossible. So I've tied my hair to be more comfortable. So here is the first product that I'll be reviewing today. It's the Good Vibes Green Tea Purifying Face Wash. All of those who know me know how much I swear by the green tea. Either is it in moisturizing form, face wash form, or a drink form. So this one here is a green tea purifying face wash, has no parabens and is cruelty free. It has a net volume of 120 ml and the MRP mentioned here is 175. I got it for discount for I think 149, 150 something, which is a really affordable range. And this product here has all the detailed ingredients mentioned, so I think that's a very good point, because I like brands who keep things clear between the customers and the products. So all the ingredients have mentioned here. So let's try this out. So I've taken a decent amount of face wash and I'll lather it over my skin. The smell is decent. It's not that strong and I love the smell. Whenever you're applying your face wash, always remember to first apply it on the center of your face and then spread it all over your face and gently massage it. Always use it for at least 60 seconds. Okay, so it's been really difficult for me to talk while I apply my face wash, so I'll just keep massaging my face. Facial, so it's better I don't talk right now. Okay, so done. I'll just quickly go and wash my face. So I just washed my face, rinsed off all the face wash from my skin. I wouldn't say it has hydrated my skin, but it has also not made my skin feel dry. It is like normal. It is good for people who have oily skin, dry skin, or a normal skin. All 3 types of skin can use this. And as we all know, the benefits of green tea, it unclogs pores and improves the dirt, protects the skin from pollution, and controls the aging thing. Of course, it has cleansed my skin. I can feel that, and I would say it's a good product for this amount, like 149. It's a good product. So the second product that I'll be reviewing today from Good Vibes is this argan face mask. So this one here is a skin softening argan face mask, and it says it has no parabens, no sulfate, and is also a cruelty free product. This is a 60 gram packaging, and I must say it's a very cute packaging. I really like the packaging, and the MRP here is 235, but I got this one on a discount for around 195 or 200. So let's see what this one claims. It says it hydrates and softens skin. The formula also helps in deep cleansing pores and enhances skin elasticity for younger, healthy skin. Okay, so I have targeted all the products that gives me this similar result, because I like selecting products that has the similar effect, and this one here has the same as the green tea one. So let's see what the product has. Okay, so the smell is really nice. I'm loving this smell. So this is the texture that it has. Okay, so you can also apply it using your brush, but I like using my fingers for this. Remember to never apply any face mask or DIY mask that you use near your eye area, because that's a really sensitive area and you don't want to mess with it. So never apply any mask on your eye area. I really love the texture of the face mask as well. It's a very smooth texture, and the smell is really nice. I'm loving the smell. Okay, so it's done. So this says you have to keep it for 10 to 15 minutes and let it dry and gently wash it. So I'll wait for it to dry, wash my face and quickly come back. Okay guys, I've washed my face. I've removed all the face masks very properly. As we all know, argan's nourishing properties is known to remove the fine lines and make your skin look healthier, make its elasticity good, but I don't know about that right now, because I think I need to use it a little more times to comment on that. But yes, it does make my skin feel hydrated and my skin feels soft. So I would say this does what it claims for, and I can recommend this for you to use. It is a really good product, and at the end I will definitely say you one product that I find is the best amongst the 4 that I am reviewing today. So stay tuned, and if you like the video, don't forget to comment and like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so moving on, the next product that we'll be reviewing today is a lip product, and this one here is a Good Vibe Lemon Lip Scrub. We all know the benefits of vitamin C for our skin. It not only makes it healthy but also nourishes it. I actually wanted to order a lip balm, but I mistakenly ordered a lip scrub, but it doesn't matter because this is a very recommended product by everyone. This comes in this cute cardboard packaging, but the sad part is it only mentions the 3 ingredients. It would have been better if they mentioned all the ingredients in the box. That helps in keeping a transparency between the consumers and the product. It is a cute packaging. It has this cute packaging, a travel size packaging. The MRP is 125. I got it on a discount for somewhere around 100 rupees, which is I get a decent amount for the quantity that you're getting. So let's see how the product is. Okay, the fragrance is really strong. It has a strong lemon flavor, and I guess they have some sugar granules in there, because all the lip scrubs mostly do have sugar. Now I'll just apply it on my lips, and it's going to be a little difficult for me to talk while I'm doing this, but I would say this is a really good product. It's not that harsh, it's good. It has sugar particles. Always remember to gently massage your lips. Don't go too harsh, because the area under our skin and lips are the most sensitive area. Okay, so it's only me who feels that my lips look a little more pinker, or even you feel it. I don't know. But it has done something to my lips. They have definitely become more softer. It has removed dead skins. It has never smelled lips. So I would give this product a thumbs up. I really like this product, and I forgot to say they have not mentioned whether there is paraben sulfate or not. Nothing is written. I don't know, they were short of space or they didn't want to mention. As I said, they only have key ingredients written here. They have not mentioned all the ingredients, but I'm sure there's no sulfate, but I don't know about parabens and cruelty. But I really like this product. This product is a thumbs up from me. Okay, so moving on, the last product that I'm reviewing today is a toner, and this is again a very demanded toner from Good Vibes. Good Vibes Pomegranate Glow Toner. The benefits of pomegranate to the skin is that it helps in diminishing the dark spots and pigmentation, imparts a youthful glow to the skin, and it helps even out the skin tone. This one is a 120 ml bottle, which comes with a cute packaging, spray packaging, and the MRP mentioned here is 175, which costed me again on a discount for somewhere around 155 or 160. They've mentioned all the ingredients here. As you can see, this product has no parabens, no sulfate, no alcohol, and is a cruelty free product. And toning, we all know, is very important for the skin. Always toning keeps you hydrated and is very good for skin. Okay, so I really like the spray. The spray here is very smooth and nice, and it really hydrates. This is a very good spray toner. I really love it. Okay, so this stays a little bad on the lips. I think I should have avoided spraying it on the lips, but this product is a good product. I would give it a thumbs up for all the prices that Good Vibes have. It's a very good range of products they are offering their consumers. And I forgot to mention a thing. While I ordered these products on discount, Purple had one more offer. It was offering, if you order 2 products from Good Vibes, they give you 1 travel size product free. So while I ordered 4 products, I got these 2 products free from Good Vibes on the offer. One is the banana conditioner travel size pack, which has no parabens and it's a cruelty free product. And the second one here I have is again a green tea revitalizing face cream. It doesn't have any parabens, no sulfates, no mineral oil, and is a cruelty free product. I guess this is a very good product. Purple still has this offers if I'm not wrong, so you can just go on the link below and order the products if you want to. So now that we have finished trying all the products, and I've also reviewed all the 4 products that I had from Good Vibes, let me tell you one of my favorite products, one product that I highly recommend. And one product that I highly recommend from Good Vibes is the Argan Face Mask. not only because I love the texture and the fragrance, but because it does what it claims. It did hydrate and soften my skin, and it also helps in increasing the elasticity of the skin and makes it younger looking, and also it deep cleansed my pores. So this is one product that I highly recommend. Hope you liked the video, and if you did like the video, please hit the like button. And if you have any doubts or queries regarding products, or if you want any particular product you want me to review them, you can mention down in the comments below. Till then, stay tuned and stay beautiful, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.